How to evaluate the performance of the application in a global way and plan a strategy for its development. To assess how well your application drives organic traffic, you'll need Performance section. With Performance Index, you can analyze how well organic traffic is attracted in different countries. Open the list of countries where your application is available and evaluate the metrics. If they are low in the markets that are most important for you, it's worth optimizing application in them. There are three ways: working with metadata, working with search visibility, and visibility through the Browse and Explore channel, which mean featured apps, categories, and recommended applications. We recommend starting with ASOindex analysis, as it's more simple and affects other indexes. It's a score from 1 to 10, which measures the quality of your optimization. In the ASOindex Overview section, you can view ASOindex of your application by country. Expand the list to make the information easier to analyze. Based on the indexes, you can make decisions on optimizing and promoting your application in different markets. Next, you can select specific locales and examine the performance of the 8 parameters that affect the index. By following all recommendations, you can improve the quality of optimization of your page, and therefore the search visibility and performance in the market that is most important for you. We explained in more detail how to analyze ASO in the first video.